What is going on? This is Altone, and this is the DJI 360 propeller guard for the Mini-Series Drones. So if you are a beginner and you've just gotten your brand new DJI Mini-Series drone, whether that be a Mini 2, Mini SE, or the original Mini, I truly recommend the 360-degree propeller guards from DJI. One major reason is because they were made specifically for the DJI Mini-Series of drones by DJI. So they understand how they work. They were made specifically not to interfere with the overall performance of the drone. The second reason why is because they're extremely easy to use. All you really have to do is fold the arms out, keep the props out of the way, open up the locking mechanism on the prop guards themselves for each one of the individual arms. You're gonna have to tilt the drone and the prop guard for the left and right side just a little bit to get that front foot through the hole at the front of the prop guard so that they are actually in position properly. And then all you have to do is close over the clip that attaches to each of the arms on that side. Make sure that you hear a click and they are properly installed. You do the exact same process for the other side of the drone. This particular prop guard actually protects your Mini-Series drone from the top and the bottom, from the left and right sides. It also protects from the front, but it's open in the center, in the front and the back of the drone for the purpose of not interfering with the camera and gimbal, as well as allowing you to be able to remove your SD card and remove and put in a new battery whenever you need to without having to take the prop guards off. Personally, I think it's an absolutely awesome system, and the reason why I think these prop guards are very necessary and important, especially if you're a beginner, is because they will absolutely help protect your drone in a crash and also protect your personal items or people who might be in the area while you're flying, especially if you're flying indoors. So I truly hope that this helped you in some way. If it did, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments section. Check the links down in the description for more accessories specific to the Mini-Series drones. Thank you again for stopping by, and I look forward to talking to you again very soon.